what an honor having you here with us at Swiss TPH. Tell us a little bit, what is the reason? Why are you in Switzerland?
Jürg, I'm in Switzerland, first of all, to see you and to see what's happening here at the Swiss Tropical and Public Health Institute. You know, Swiss TPH has been at the cutting edge of neglected tropical diseases since they were known as neglected tropical diseases for a long, long time. And if there's no other research institution I could think of that has that kind of commitment, not only to good science, quality science, but also this true vision for equity and health equity. So everyone talks about health equity as though it's some aspirational goal, but it's the Swiss TPH that's been doing this for decades.
What have been your top 3 impressions while visiting us here at Swiss TPH?
First of all, one of the things I'm really excited about is the youth, the young people, young scientists eager to pursue careers in neglected tropical diseases. Also, the idea of keeping in mind what the reason for the research is, keeping in mind not only the neglected diseases, but the neglected populations, and that commitment to what I sometimes call appropriate technology. That is technology, not just for technology's sake, but technology that's going to actually be used in disease endemic countries.
What do you think are the achievements, but also the remaining challenges in the neglected tropical disease space?
Well, I think we've done a lot in terms of, first of all, elevating the profile of NTDs, neglected tropical diseases. And I think we've made a lot of headway in terms of providing access to existing essential medicines for neglected tropical diseases. I think where we still need to push really hard is on the R&D front, the research and development front, because we still need improved control tools, improved vaccines, improved diagnostics, improved drugs, and improved understanding about how these parasites cause disease.
Where do you see the main challenges in global health for research, but also society?
What happened in 2020 and 2021, early on in the pandemic, was the exclusive emphasis on innovation and speed at the expense of everything else. And no one really planned it with equity in mind. I think the other is a sobering note on what I've been up against firsthand, which is combating anti-vaccine, anti-science movements. This is really taken off as a pernicious force in the United States. And now I'm starting to see this spill over into low and middle income countries. So to end on a positive note, there are hurdles, there are obstacles, but I think, together we've been in this journey for decades, and what you're doing at the Swiss Tropical and Public Health Institute is very special. And again, this idea that yes, you need to have cutting edge science, but using it in a way that's going to accomplish these very complicated humanitarian goals. It's something very special you have here in Basel. So congratulations.